guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This is for the December 2022 bag. Hard to believe we're already at the end of the year, right? So here is the bag. It's like a pink and red giraffe kind of print that says hooray on it and has these silver ties on it. Kind of an interesting aesthetic. Given that we had that very like plushy kind of vibe for the regular glam bag, I'm like, not quite what I was expecting, but I'm not mad at it. It's like actually softer and smoother than a lot of the ones that they do for the Glam Bag Plus, so I dig it. But we shall start with the stuff that doesn't fit inside the bag. So this, honestly, I bought with points because I had to contact Ipsy support for 2 items last month. One they were able to replace, one they were not, and the one that they weren't, they credited me a bunch of points in my account to spend on an item, and I got the Refreshment Superb Strength Conditioner in Tart Lavender, because the conditioner is great. Not so wild about the shampoo, but I like the conditioner a lot. So I have more of that, which is good because I go through it way faster than I do the shampoo, so I'm glad that I have more of this. So there's that. And then we have a palette from Trend Beauty, and it's the Wanted palette, and I love how like Western, like Texan, outlaw kind of vibes this is, which for me, very fitting for December since Mike Nesmith's birthday and death day were both in December, so you know, cowboy vibes, I'm here for it. So our colors in here. I don't think they have names, do they? They do not. So, I will just cover up the mirror. Although, I'll show just a little bit so you can see that it does also have like those same wooden vibes in there too. But yeah, actually these are very pretty colors. Now, if you had asked me what aesthetic I thought the colors were going to be in this just by like the name and the packaging, those would not have been it. But I'm not mad at it. That said, there is a few colors in here that are very similar to other colors also in there, and I'm like these two especially are very close, and then these two are not identical, but pretty close to, I'm like, could have been a little more variety, but I'll judge more when I actually get into using this one, because for right now, I'm like, who knows, they might have totally different looks when they're actually on. I have definitely encountered that in palettes before, so I'm trying to not write it off too quickly. But yeah, anyway, there's that. I'm pretty stoked about it. Stuff that didn't fit in the bag was all for that, so let me get that out of my way. And then for the stuff in the bag, in no particular order, I don't think the card had any info on it this time, did it? Is there a card? There's a card, okay. Doesn't have info, though. Nope, it's the same as the other two, so off it goes. Anyway, we have another palette. And it is also from Trend Beauty, oddly enough. And this is the Tempting palette, and I am really digging the Indian kind of vibes on here, the mandala, like very 60s, really loving that. You know, I am a sucker for that, so. Oh, and these have names, so our color names here, I'll show them to you in a moment, but the color names first are Allure, Danger, Provoke, Fate, Risky, Desire, Fire, Appeal, Divine, Law of Affrication, okay, Magnet, Cure, Seductive, Charming, and Lust. So there's a couple of those words I'm like, I don't know what those mean, but again, really pretty colors. This is more on brand with what I would have expected from the packaging, though, unlike the other one, though, but yeah, those are real pretty. Again, really looking forward to digging into those. Okay, let's pop that back in there for now. Oop, I did not line that up correctly. Try that again. Okay. Oop. Alright. And then we have, what is this? Ooh, from Wander Beauty, we have the Mile High Club Sorry, I'm not sure. Mile High Club Length and Define Mascara. So I think this ought to be full size. It looks full size to me, so very pretty, and I'm sure it'll be very nice on. So looking forward to trying that out. Next, we have from Lucky Chick. I've never heard of them before. Liquid eyeshadow in the color Dusty Lav. Okay, so it's kind of glittery on here. I'm like, there's definitely like a double meaning on that name. It could be like Dusty Lavender, or if we're going like the British meaning, that's like a dusty toilet. Ew, why would you do that? I'm sure they mean lavender, and they do not mean toilet, given that like the little swatch on the top is definitely lavender. Let's look at it. Yeah. Okay. Interesting that in there it's almost shaped like a lipstick bullet, like... I'm not the only one thinking that, right? That's like really pretty though. It's almost silvery in its metallic lavender vibes, but that's really cool. Oh, that one's gonna be fun to wear. Okay. It's nice cool vibes, kind of perfect for that like, what is the term right now? The like cold girl look, cold girl vibes, whatever it is. Cold girl makeup. Fits right in with that. We have a third palette. Ipsy. You're drunk, but I like it. So this is from Ciate London. It's the Velvet palette. So this is a 12 shade one. So let's... Okay, it doesn't want to open from that side. How about this side? Okay. Oh, weird. I don't know how I feel about the rubberized top on that. Like, it's weird. On an EOS, it doesn't bother me, but that same texture on here, I'm like... It's kind of chalkboardy. I don't know about that, but let's see what's in it. Ooh, okay. Okay. Let's turn this around. Look at those. That's really gorgeous. I'm noticing, like, similar vibes across all the palettes this month, but, like, honestly, they're really good. Again, some kind of similar shades in here, but I can also see where they're different, too. But I think I'm maybe the most excited about this one, which makes sense since I love this brand, and I don't think they've ever disappointed me before, so definitely looking forward to playing that one. Okay, we'll stick that over here, too. What else? We have got from Kate Somerville the Eradicate Acne Treatment, which Lord knows I could use right now, so I think that's also full size. Let's see. Oh! Do not shake me. Okay, I won't. I probably would have too, so, but interesting. Kind of looks like a metallic Pepto-Bismol in there, but okay, does it say how to use it? It does not. I guess you just kind of dab it on. Oh wait, clean skin thoroughly. Cover the entire affected area with a thin layer, 1 to 3 times daily. Because of excessive drying of the skin may occur, start with 1 application daily, then gradually increase to 2 or 3 times as needed. If bothersome drying or peeling occurs, reduce application to once a day or every other day. Yeah, the main inactive ingredient is isopropyl alcohol, so I can see why they say that. And the main ingredient is sulfur, 10%. So yeah, I could definitely see where it would be intense, but at the same time I'm like, I may need to like legit use that today for this guy up here, because I'd like that wiped out before Christmas, and we are only a few days away, so gotta do something. But anyway, from IBY Beauty, we have City Limits Lush Eyeshadow in Dance Party. Ooh, that sounds fun. At least I think the color is called Dance Party. Well, it's City Limits. I love the holographicness. I love the purpley vibes. Really cool. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, I haven't had one of these minis from them in this color before. Oh, that's kind of cool. I wasn't expecting, like, hella deep green. Okay. Yeah, the color is Dance Party. Explain. Purple, 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 green. Okay. Not what I was expecting in the slightest, but you know what? Not mad at it. That is pretty, so. Okay. I was like, wait, I thought we were doing purple vibes. Okay. What the hell? Why not? Why not? We'll stick it up here with the little single from Kiyate. Anyway, what's next? From Ahava, we have the Clearing Facial Treatment Mask. And oh, okay. Again, like, not a bad size. That is not a bad size at all. And they say cleanse at the bottom, so I guess it's a cleansing mask, too. Definitely gonna keep that on hand as well. And then I think, is this the last item? It is. Okay, so this is from the Refreshments line, and actually this was not an add-on. This was actually an item I could choose, and this is the Kissalicious Lip Balm in Sweet Mint. Apparently they do lip balms now, so you know your girl had to get in on that. They make 2 of them. So I got Sweet Mint in here, and then for January, they actually had it as one of the things you could add on for that one. So I added on that one, and I think it's something like caramel something or other. It's something with caramel in the name. Might be caramel swirl. But they only make 2 so far. So I guess we'll see how it is. Like, I don't even know what format it is. Is it a stick? Is it liquid? Like, what the hell is it? Let's take a look. I was not expecting a tube for some reason. I think I was expecting a stick, but that's what it looks like. We'll give a quick little snifferoonie. We'll do a proper review another day. Oh, okay, so it has a safety seal on it, which, given how Ipsy's been lately with products, I'm grateful for. Let's see. I'll take that off, because I'll be reviewing this shortly, but... Oh, that does smell good. Okay. My complaint, though, already, I can tell you. You all can tell, right? You see it. You see it. It does not have any kind of applicator tip, which means I'm going to have to squeeze this fucker out on my finger and put it on the hard way every time and make a mess and just, oh, I hate that. So, Ipsy, if you're listening, if you would like to improve this product right off the bat, give us a slanted applicator tip. Like, please, can, thanks. Like, something along the lines of, just because I have this laying here, like that kind. Like, we're not asking for much. But, I mean, it makes it so much easier. But, anyway. I'm otherwise very excited to try this, though. And that'll be another video for another day. But I'm keeping it close at hand because I do want to try that shortly. Actually, let's see if it's organic or not. Oh, it is. Actually, I'm surprised by that. I wasn't expecting that. So, okay. Cool. Anyway. So that's what I got in my December Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which I'm very pleased with what all I got. Like, they went all out for December on all the subscription levels, and I am here for it. So, anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Yes, I'm playing with the poppies, don't mind me. I know, just wait a few more seconds till you're done. Okay, anyway. Leave comments down below. What are you the most excited to see me review first out of these? I may take it into consideration for what to review first. Leave that as well as anything down below. If you're an Ipsy member, what did you get in your December bag? I'd love to know. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.